Hello friends, welcome to Tech Freak. So friends, today we will see how to use default method in our interfaces. So this is a new feature which is introduced in Java 1.8. So let's start this. So what is the use of default methods? Okay. So the first point is without affecting implementation class, we can add new method in interfaces. So what is the meaning of this? So like we have this interface, my interface, which contain one method first, right? And I created a class first IMPL which implement this interface, and this is the implementation of the interface. So after that, if I want to add some new method, then we can't add new method in this. So as soon as I add a new method in this, then this class give me error. So let's suppose we have 100 classes which implement this interface. So if I add a new method in this, then I need to implement this method in all the 100 classes. Okay. So what is the solution for this? So the solution for this is default method. So like this is the scenario, and we can add default method in this and nothing breaks and everything's work fine. So let's create this scenario on our Eclipse. So now everything work fine and everything is right. So let's suppose if later someone comes and need to write one more method like M2. So now as soon as I write M2, so this break and it will give me error. So let's consider a scenario and we have like 100 classes that implement this interface. So now I need to provide the implementation of M2 in all the 100 classes. So this is a problem for me. So now we can use default methods. So now this is our default method, and as you can see, now nothing is break and everything work fine. So as you can see, we can add default method, and it is not compulsory to provide the implementation of default method in the classes which implement the interface. So this is our first point. So now the second thing, the default methods are allowed only in interfaces and not in class, because it's a keyword inside class, right? Because we already know that default is a keyword inside the classes. So these methods are only available for interfaces. So let me show you. So I want to create a new method, default method inside this first IMPL. Okay, like this. So let's check the error, and the error message is default methods are allowed only in interfaces, right? So we can't create default methods for our classes. So the third point is you can provide the basic definition inside default methods. So this way you can provide the implementation. So you can provide the implementation of this method inside the interface, and now you can call this also. So the next point is you can override the default method in implementation class but using public keyword. Okay, so now let's try to override this method. Okay, so as you can see, it will give me error, change method visibility to public. Okay, so we already discussed that default method is only available for interfaces and not for class. So you can override this method but by using this public keyword. So now the definition of M2 method. So now as you can see, this is the overridden method. So object class method like hashcode, equals, etc. can't be used as default. So what is the meaning of this? So like if you want to write this kind of method, default int hashcode, then it will give me error. So let's check the error. A default method cannot override a method from java.lang.object. Okay, so object class methods can't be overridden in the interface by using this default keyword. And now the last point is the diamond access problem or the multiple inheritance problem in interfaces. So what is this problem? So I have two interfaces, left and right, and both contain method m1, right? And now we have a class that implement both left and right. So there is a conflict that this demo class use which m1 method, like from left or from right. So the output is conflict of m1 method and it will give me an error. So this is the interface left which contain this m1 method, this is the interface right which contain m1 method. So as soon as a class implement this left and right, so it will give us a error. So let's first create the scenario and then we find out the solution. Okay, so now left interface contain this method m1 with this implementation and right contain this method with implementation this one. So now what happen if I implements both the interface in my class? So let's check the error. So it will give me an error that override these methods, otherwise there is a problem. So as you can see, even after without writing this method, this is a problem. Okay, so now what is the solution for the same? Solution for the same is you can override the method inside this class to resolve the conflict. So let's override, and we know if we want to override method, then we can use public so let's try to call. So now as you can see, this is called and the conflict is resolved. So what will happen if I need to use this method? So this is very simple. So if I need to use the implementation of left interface, then you can simply write left so now the left method is called. From left, and if you want to use the implementation of right method, then you can also use the right method. So this way you can resolve the multiple inheritance problem, but this scenario is only happening for interfaces and not for classes, because only interface contain this default method and classes doesn't. So this way we can use the default methods in all our scenarios. So this is end-to-end solution for the diamond access problem. So this is the end-to-end solution for our default methods, which is provided in JDK 1.8. So if you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.